guys, today I'm showing this hack slash game mode 0 slash game mode 0. Look at this hack. Look at this reach on this hack, bro. Look at this reach. Oh god, it hurts. That's game mode. So okay guys, so basically this is overpowered. This is an overpowered mod. Like for example, if I go and get some gapples, for example, and I go and slash game, and then I go and get some, and then I go and get some mobs. What should I get, guys? I'll get some, let's think, lead. Now I've got 64 blazes. Now slash game. So you actually see on the side I've got all of these things. So if I've got anti-fire. I don't get this reach though. Look at this reach. I don't get this. Now let's go on mobs. I don't get the reach on this though. So I'm going to spoil the 64 blazes. Look at this reach on this. And you can fly with this mod as well. But I don't have fly activate because it crashes my game. So it's actually the bunny fly, and you can just do this. And I'm spamming the space button. The download this will be in the description below, and it is overpowered. But be reminded, you do get banned off service for this. Wait, dash. Wait. So is it? Nope. I need slash game mode 1. Now look at this. Slash game mode 3. And you can mega speed run with this, like. What is it? You can mega speed with this. And a few other mods you can mega speed bridge. Yeah, and when you walk, no slash game mode 0. When you walk with Fox on you, it automatically builds for you, and you can just kill people like this. But be warned, you do get banned very quickly with this mod. That's all we have for today, guys. Bye.